On this example, we're actually going to group the data into a few different intervals. So we're going to start off, it says start off 4 different intervals starting with 0 to 24. So let's go 0 to 24, 25 to, well, let's see, to get from 0 to 24 you add 24 to it. So to get from 25 to its top, I'm going to add 24, giving me 49. 50 to, I'll add 24 to that, I get 74. And 75, add 24 to it, we get 99. I set this up because our midpoints are actually going to be nice. Let's say a tally, frequency, and then the midpoints. I probably should have had a little bit more room here. Alright, so let's start the tally. 7 should go there, 95 goes there, and so on. Alright, so we have 1, frequency of 4, frequency of 9, and a frequency of 4. The midpoints for each of these ranges, remember we're going to find the midpoint, we'll add these two things together, 0 plus 24, divide that whole thing by 2, this gives a midpoint of 12. This one would end up giving us a midpoint of, let me just pull out the calculator, 25 plus 49, divided by 2, gives us a midpoint of 37. A midpoint of 62, and a midpoint of 87. I guess I didn't quite need the midpoint yet. I'm expecting, yes, you can see down here I'm finding the grouped mean. I was just kind of jumping ahead. So far, I found the frequency distribution, which is the frequencies to the particular intervals. Alright, if we want to construct a histogram, then we have 0 to 24 here, 25 to 49, 50 to 74, and 75 to 99. Alright, it looks like our most frequent one is 9, so let's call that 10 up here. So let's see, split this up just so I can make my bars somewhat nice. We should have a height of 1 here, height of 4, height of 9, and a height of 4. So there's my histogram. For my frequency polygon, I suppose I should go a little bit beyond the existing, pretending as if there was another box here that was what, negative 25 through negative 1, and over here 100 through 124, with frequencies of 0, and our polygon looks something like this. So that's our frequency polygon. Alright, finding the grouped mean. Fortunately, I've already found the midpoints, and I'm just going to pull this where I can see both the frequency and the midpoints there. You can see frequencies there, that's this row, and the midpoints are that row. So the grouped mean is going to be 1 times 12, plus 4 times 37, plus 9 times 62, plus 4 times 87, divided by however many there were here. Let's see, that's 18, it looks like. I'm just going to take a quick moment and verify there are 18 scores here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Never a bad habit to be in, just checking your work and making sure that you hadn't made a mistake. Alright, let's scoot this a little out of the way and do this. 12 plus 4 times 37. Divide that by 18, and we get a mean, a grouped mean of 52.2 repeating, 59.2 repeating rather. Now, this is not going to be the exact same as if I had just computed the mean up here. You could add those up and divide by 18 just as easily up there. Well, maybe not just as easily, but you could do that. The grouped mean is in general not going to be the exact same number, but if you were to find the mean up there versus the one here, you would conclude that they are pretty close. You'll notice that this grouped mean does occur close to the center of the peak here. 50 would be, kind of down here. 74 would be up here. 59 would be just a little to the left of the midpoint here, the midpoint being 62.